Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. It's morning. Peck Peck the Woodpecker is coming out of his house. Oh, a butterfly. Peck Peck, you look very smart. Hello! What's down there? It's an abacus. Do you want to play with it? The beads are spinning around. The abacus is making a sound, like a rattle. And how do you use an abacus properly? You don't know? Oh, you'll think of something. Peck Peck is riding on the abacus like a skateboard. And the snail is using the beads as a slide. Peck Peck wants to do it too. Whee! Did you enjoy it? Peck Peck, where are you off to? You want to ride on the beads down a big slide? That's dangerous. Hello, Hop Hop. Quick, save Peck Peck. Oh dear, oh dear! The abacus is broken.
Lots and lots of beads!
Now then, birds, you need to pick them up. 1,
2.
Look for some more, birds.
3, 4.
Peck Peck has found a lot of beads. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, Peck Peck. Oh, the beads have gone everywhere. Let's thread them onto a string. It's ready. Hop Hop has threaded the rest of the beads onto a string.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And where is the 10th bead? Maybe it's behind the fir tree? Hop Hop has found the 10th bead.
Eh?
But so has Peck Peck. Oh, that's not a bead. It's a snail. Look, the beads on a thread look like a caterpillar or a worm.
Beads! Abacus!
Time to put the beads back on the abacus. Now you can count something. Berries, for example? Hop Hop has eaten 1 strawberry. 1. Peck Peck has 2 berries. 2. You birds are very good at counting.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Hop Hop.
Hello!
Oh, the little owl knocked over the tower with the ball. What a good shot he is. The pyramid has smashed into little pieces. Red, yellow. Half a green ball landed on the snail. Hop Hop is collecting up the toys.
Half a ball? Half a ball? Ball!
A green wing. Peck Peck has rescued the snail.
Half a ball? Half a ball! Ball!
Hop Hop wants to make a green ball. But where's the other half? Shall we look for it? It's not behind the bush. Ants, did you take half of the green ball? No, they didn't. Who might have it? There's your toy, Hop Hop.
It's a
Peck
tower!
Peck has made a hat out of it. 2 hats.
Half a ball? Half a ball? Ball!
And if you put the balls one on top of the other, you get traffic lights.
Red light!
Snail, stop at the red light.
Yellow light!
Get ready.
Green light!
Off you go, Snail. The traffic lights are green. Hop Hop has decided to roll the red ball down the slide. The ball has come apart into 2 pieces. And Peck Peck is rolling 2 balls at once. But where is the little owl? Peck Peck, can you see him?
Surprise!
Peck Peck loves surprises. What do you think is inside the ball? Can you open it? The ball has opened up. There's a tractor inside.
Tractor!
Hop Hop is building something. What is it?
It's a tower!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
tower made of 6 parts. Off you go, tractor! Now we can make the tower again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Hello, Hop Hop.
Hello!
What's that?
Bubble mixture.
Wow! The little owl is going to blow some bubbles. It's working! The bubbles are floating upwards. The bubbles are floating very high indeed. Higher than the butterflies. Hello there, Peck Peck. Look at all the bubbles. Do you like bursting them?
Peck Peck, catch this!
Hop Hop is blowing more bubbles, and Peck Peck is going to burst them. Huh. The mosquito has seen the bubbles too. Oh no! It burst one bubble! And another! Peck Peck the Woodpecker doesn't want to play with the mosquito at all.
Catch another one!
Have you got a plan, Peck Peck? A net! The woodpecker is going to catch the mosquito. It's not easy, but it's fun. The mosquito is very clever. Peck Peck, can you catch it? And missed. Peck Peck, be careful. Oh, the pot of bubble mixture has fallen over. It's empty. Don't worry, Peck Peck. Hop Hop has got a plan.
Off we go!
The woodpecker and the owl are going to Hop Hop's house. And the mosquito is flying after them.
Water! Soap! Bubbles!
It looks like the owl has a plan. He'll make some new bubble mixture.
Water? Soap?
Hop Hop is mixing soap with water to make...
Bubbles! And a straw!
The owl is blowing bubbles. Oh, look how big they are.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now it's Peck Peck's turn.
Yeah.
Take the straw. What a huge bubble! The mosquito's back again. The little woodpecker is trying really hard to catch it. Look at that, little birds!
Bubbles!
Lots of bubbles! Peck Peck discovered he can blow bubbles with the net. Now there are so many of them that even the mosquito can't burst them all. Oh, looks like the mosquito is tired. Shall we play some more? Hop Hop blew one big bubble, and Peck Peck blew lots of little ones.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Do you hear that sound? That's the train coming out of the tunnel.
Choo-choo!
Hop Hop the owl is driving it. His toys are in the train's wagon. Peck Peck the woodpecker is waiting for his friend at the station. Hooray! The train's coming!
Hello!
Hello there, Hop Hop. Our woodpecker's been waiting for you. He really wants to go to the lake with his new toys. Everything into the bucket. The birds are heading there on the motorcycle. Put on your helmets.
Let's go!
There's the pier. Take your toys over there. That's a crab. Crabs are very good at moving from side to side.
Crab!
Oh, the crab's gone for a swim. Peck Peck's gone for a swim too. That's a lot of splashing.
Stop! It's deep over there.
It's not safe to go off into deep water if you can't swim. Let's take a look at the other toys in your bucket.
A starfish.
How many arms does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The starfish has gone for a swim. And the ray. And the blowfish. It looks like a ball. Peck Peck wants to get the crab. Little owl, what are you looking for? Ah, it's an inflatable ring. Our little woodpecker can use it to go swimming in the lake.
Wings up, please. Now you can swim.
Hop Hop's also put on a ring. Little birds, let's pick up our toys. That's one fish in the net.
The blowfish.
The ray.
The starfish.
Well done! What a wonderful trip to the lake this has been.
Let's sort our toys out.
The starfish, the swordfish, the blowfish. Somebody's missing. Do you know who? That's right, the crab. There's a butterfly on his head. Into the bucket you go, Crab. We've let the air out of the swim rings. And we've put away the net. Did you pick up the ray? Ah, there it is, in the bucket. We can go. Till next time, little birds.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl.
Hello, Hop Hop. Are you playing peekaboo again?
Hello!
Hop Hop's a polite little owl. He never forgets to say hello. Hello, Peck Peck. What's in your bucket?
Mushrooms!
Peck Peck is very busy. He's found some toy mushrooms. Shall we play? Oh, the mushrooms toppled over. What's in that blue box?
They're toys!
Shall we see what kind? A plate. You can put the mushrooms onto the plate. What's Hop Hop looking for now? It's a meadow for the mushrooms. Little birds, let's stand the mushrooms up. One, 2, 3. Look, there's more space for the mushrooms in the meadow. Peck Peck's decided to look for some mushrooms near his house. I can't see any mushrooms. I suppose that means we can ride down the slide. Let's go! Oh, Peck Peck. There are 3 whole mushrooms here. Hop Hop's come with a basket, like a real mushroom picker. Let's go and hunt some treasure.
1, 2, 3.
We've gathered those mushrooms. Shall we look for some more? Pay attention now. That mushroom was hidden beneath the leaf. That mushroom's got a ladybug on it. Oh, little birds! Another mushroom! With a lilac cap and a leaf painted on top. Let's put it in the basket, too. There's still one last spot in the meadow. Little spider, have you seen a mushroom? There's a mushroom with a spider on it. All the toys are back where they belong. Peck Peck's not playing anymore. He's got a frying pan. We're having a toy dinner tonight. Fried mushrooms. Dig in, little spider.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
Hop Hop the Owl and his friend Peck Peck the Woodpecker are going for a fun ride. Look, little birds. What's that the ants are playing with? They're rolling a green cylinder block on the grass. And there are lots more wooden blocks on the table. These are pieces of a game. The pieces must be stacked on the hemisphere block without tipping the balance. The pieces mustn't topple over.
Let's play!
Great! Where's the dice? Well done, Peck Peck. But this one won't do. We need the dice with colored circles on its sides. Yes, this is the one. You won't be able to reach it with your wing.
Nope, you can't. You need a stick.
Hop Hop has a good idea. A stick can poke and move the block. Yes, it worked. Now we can play. Peck Peck, do you want to go first?
You start.
You must roll the dice and see which circle comes up on top. Red. Peck Peck must pick a red block. Choose one and put it on top of the hemisphere block. Hop Hop, now it's your turn.
Green.
Take a green block. Good job! Peck Peck goes next. Yellow. He has to put a yellow piece on top. Did it work okay? Yes, the tower stayed up.
What? Orange.
Oh, the tower is wobbling. But it didn't fall. A mosquito! It's landed on the tower, and it's upsetting the balance. The tower toppled over. Sorry, Hop Hop. You lost.
That's not fair.
Don't get upset. Peck Peck will catch the mosquito. Got him.
Mosquito, stop spoiling our game.
The mosquito understands. Wow, we have some new players. What color does the dice show? Green.
Hey, ants, do you want to play with us?
Of course! They've already rolled the dice. Green. Purple. Orange. You guys have yellow. Oh dear, the tower is leaning to the side. Hop Hop, your turn. Put a red piece on top. The mosquito mosquito's being helpful this time. He balanced the tower of blocks. Peck Peck and Ants, don't be disappointed. Next time, you could win. Oh, the mosquito is flying away. Kaboom!
Oh, no.
Now you can start the game all over again.